Assalamu alaikum friends, you are watching Electromech Solutions. Please subscribe this channel, share this video with others and press bell icon for further notification. And I hope you will like this video. Let's start today's video. Today's video is about Please watch the complete video. Don't skip the video. The capacitor. Capacitors are one of the fundamental passive components. In its most basic form, it is composed of two plates separated by a dielectric. The ability to store charge is the definition of capacitance. The charging process, initially uncharged, you can see the state of the capacitor. The charging process, now you can see the way of charging, the position of electron and proton. When fully charged, now see the position of the electrons and protons. When the source removed, you can see the state of the capacitor. The capacitor is fully charged and it holds the charge. A capacitor with stored charge can act as temporary battery. Capacitance is the ratio of charge to voltage. C is equal to Q by V. Rearranging the amount of charge on a capacitor is determined by the size of the capacitor C and the voltage V. Example, if a 22 microfarad capacitor is connected to a 10 volt source, the charge is C into V, that is equal to 220 microcapacitance. An analogy, imagine you store rubber bands in a bottle that is nearly full. As you can see, you could store more rubber bands like charge or Q in a bigger bottle, capacitance or C. Or if you push them in with more force, voltage or V. Thus, Q is equal to C into V. A capacitor stores energy in the form of an electric field that is established by the opposite charges on the two plates. The energy of charged capacitor is given by the equation W is equal to 1 by 2 CV squared, where W is energy in joules, C is the capacitance in farad, V is the voltage in volts. Capacitor types. Mica capacitors are small with high working voltage. The working voltage is voltage limit that cannot be exceeded. Ceramic discs are small non-polarized capacitors. They have relatively high capacitance due to high ER. Plastic film capacitors are small and non-polarized. They have relatively high capacitance due to larger plate area. Pause the video and you can see the parts of the capacitors. Electrolytic, two types. Electrolytic capacitors have very high capacitance, but they are not as precise as other types and tend to have more leakage current. Electrolytic types are polarized. You can see the symbol for any electrolytic capacitor. Variable capacitors typically have small capacitance values and are usually adjusted manually. A solid state device that is used as a variable capacitor is the Vector diode. It is adjusted with the electrical signal. Symbols for the capacitor: fixed and variable. B is the shape of variable capacitors, A is the shape of fixed capacitor. Capacitors use several labeling methods. Small capacitors value are frequently stamped on them, such as 0.001 or 0.01, which have units of microfarads. Electrolytic capacitors have larger values, so are read as microfarad. The unit is usually stamped as a microfarad, but some older ones may be shown as MF or MMF. A label such as 103 or 104 is read as 10 into 10 raised to power 3 10,000 picofarad, or 10 into 10 raised to power 4 100,000 picofarad respectively. Third digit is the multiplier. When values are marked as 3, 30 or 6800, the units are picofarads. Example: what is the value of the each capacitor? Both are 2200 picofarad. Series capacitors. When capacitors are connected in series, the total capacitance is smaller than the smallest one. The general equation for capacitors in series is CT, total capacitance, is equal to 1/1 by C1 plus 1 by C2 plus 1 by C3 plus so on, the total number of capacitors in series. The total capacitance of two series capacitors is CT, total capacitance, is equal to 1/1 by C1 plus 1 by C2, or you can use the product over sum rule. Series capacitors. Example: if a 0.001 microfarad capacitor is connected in the series with an 800 picofarad capacitor, the total capacitance is 444 picofarad. Parallel capacitors. When capacitors are connected in parallel, the total capacitance is the sum of individual capacitors. The general equation for capacitors in parallel is CT, total capacitance, is equal to C1 plus C2 plus C3 plus total number of capacitors connected in parallel up to that. Example: if a 0.001 microfarad capacitor is connected in parallel with an 800 picofarad capacitor, the total capacitance is 1800 picofarad. Capacitive reactance. Capacitive reactance is the opposition to capacitive reactance is opposition to AC by a capacitor. The equation for capacitive reactance is Xc is equal to 1 by 2 Fc. W is equal to 2 pi F. Example: the reactance of a 0.047 microfarad capacitor when a frequency of 15 kHz is applied is 226 ohm. Capacitor phase shift. When a sine wave is applied to a capacitor, there is a phase shift between voltage and current, such that the current always leads the voltage by 90 degree, as you can see in figure. Power in a capacitor. Energy stored by the capacitor during a portion of the AC cycle and returned to the source during another portion of the cycle. Voltage and current are always 90 degree out of phase. For this reason, no true power is dissipated by a capacitor, because stored energy is returned to the circuit. The rate at which a capacitor stores or returns energy is called reactive power. The unit for reactive power is the VAR, volt ampere reactive. Measuring and testing of capacitors. Checking the dielectric of an electrolyte capacitor. You need to put your capacitor on the highest value of the meter, as you can see in the figure, 20 mega ohm. Now you need to connect the meter on the both ends of the capacitor. The result should be overload. infinity. There should not be any resistance between both the terminal. Capacitor, an electrical device consisting of two conductive plates separated by an insulating material and possessing the property of capacitance. Dielectric, the insulating material between the conductive plates of a capacitor. Farad, the unit of capacitance. RC, time constant, a fixed time interval set by the R and C values that determine the time response of a series RC circuit. It equals the product of the resistance and the capacitance. Capacitive reactance, the opposition of a capacitor to sinusoidal current. The unit is the ohm. Instantaneous power, P, the value of power in a circuit at a given instant of time. True power, the power that is dissipated in the circuit in a circuit, usually in the form of heat. Reactive power, the rate at which energy is alternately stored and returned to the source by a capacitor. The unit is the VAR. VAR, the unit of reactive power, volt ampere reactive. Let's start the practical. So we need a multimeter. We have a multimeter. We need to set multimeter on the dot position and 2 kilo ohm resistance. First of all, check the probes of the meter for proper connectivity. Our meter is connected properly, as you can hear the sound. Remember, every capacitor, before to check every capacitor, you need to discharge first. With anything, you need to discharge the capacitors. Connect both the probes on the connectors of the capacitor and observe on the meter. Meter is showing 95 resistance. Should be 0. So it means this capacitor is not okay. Now connect the with the body. It is not short with the body, but it is not functioning well. It is short. So let's check the another. These are AC capacitors. We connected the probes of the meter and observed the meter reading infinity and check with the body both the connectors. This is okay. Check the another one. As it has no resistance, so it is also good. Check with the body both the end. This is microwave oven capacitor, same procedure. This is showing some resistance. This is bad one. You can say this and this, these both are bad one. Now check this one. It is short. You can hear the sound as well. This is also not a good capacitor. This one is okay, as you can see. Check with the body. These are good capacitor. This is also good. You can see these are good capacitors. Now check these small ones. These were the AC capacitor, and this is the electrolyte capacitor polarized. This side of the capacitor is negative and this is positive. You need to connect the meter accordingly. It should not be short, it should be overload. So it is okay. Check the another, it is also okay. You can change the polarity as well. So friends, this is the way to check the capacitor. Friends, there is another procedure to check the capacitor. Take the capacitor and short with for some seconds. Now discharge it. As you can see, the charging and discharging of capacitor, this is the way to check the simple method. Thanks to watch this video. Like this video, share with others, and subscribe my channel. Press bell icon for further notification. Best of luck.